Welcome back, students. In this video we will start our geometric distribution. We completed binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. Now we will start our geometric distribution. See, what is geometric distribution and why we call this distribution as geometric distribution? I will explain that thing. Firstly, let us discuss what is geometric distribution and what we do in this distribution. If we are doing any trial for any success event, for example, if I toss a coin, so there are two possibilities, either head will come or either tail will come. Okay, but let us assume here only two possible outcomes you have. Okay, but let us assume that we can do infinite number of repetitions and all of them are independent. Okay, so in that case, in geometric distribution, we have infinite series of repetition and we will stop our trial when we get our first success. Okay, so number of failures before first success, that represents geometric distribution. Okay, so what is geometric distribution? And in that GP series is forming. How that is forming? देखो, number of failures preceding first success. Okay, the number of failures which precedes first success. Number of failure q, say q की power x. Okay, total number of failures are these, and after that when you do the trials at x times, how many times? X times. When you repeat that trial, after that x trials, at x plus 1th trial you go to your success. So that complete probability we will say q raised to power x into p, and this is forming GP series. Here your x is varying from 0 to infinity. Okay, x is greater than 0 and x is varying from discrete case है तो 0 1 2 3 4 up to so on infinity तक. Your p is lying in between this, q is lying between this. Okay, so in this case how it is forming GP series, why we call it as geometric distribution? Say, just open it. q की power 0 p, q की power 1 p plus q square p. Every time whenever you open this term, every next term is multiplied by q, and that is the definition of what? Geometric progression series. That's why it is named as geometric distribution, क्योंकि ये जो series बनती है, this series is geometric series. All right, so what will be its PMF? PMF I mentioned here, probability of x is equal to x. Every distribution will assume non-negative values. X is always greater than 0 or equal to 0 but not less than 0. Okay, so it will be q x p if x is equal to 0 1 2 3 and so on up to infinity. 0 else part when x is less than 0, when x is negative. All right, this is your geometric distribution.